Where's the center line for the vanity?
Right here, I just marked it.
Okay, let's get the chalk snapped down.
Watch the edge on that slab, careful around the corner. All right, guiding it through now.
All right, hold it right there. Easy now.
Tell Group C to start.
Wiring looks good, systems are green. Smart controls online. Where do you want the vanity? Stage it by the far wall near the bathtub.
Is the laser centered on the faucet mount? Just a hair to the right. Perfect. Lock it down.
Testing circuit 4. Sconces engaged. Stand clear, please. Confirmed bright.
Water pressure check complete. Drainage is clear. Thermostatic controls calibrated.
Place the towels here by the tub. And the lilies go in that tall vase on the counter.
Ensure every gold fixture is polished and the mirrors are crystal clear.
Checking the shower glass now. The towels are perfectly aligned.
Excellent.